Sweet tea daily, spreading the light.
Hi, sweet shoebox friends. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Nicole, and on this channel we talk about all things Operation Christmas Child. Today I'm working on a filler project. Filler is what's used at the processing center to help fill partially empty boxes that need a little extra love. Today's shoebox filler was inspired by Kit Nicole's Craft Filler Challenge, and I will link her video in the description box. These filler packs that we're making today are inexpensive, they're easy to pack, and they give a child a fun activity to enjoy long after they've opened their shoebox. If you enjoy ideas like these, I'd be so grateful if you take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Every like and every new subscriber helps these Operation Christmas Child ideas reach more people, which means more opportunities to encourage others to pack shoeboxes and share the love of Jesus with children around the world. Now let's jump in and make this fun craft filler together. This first craft filler project is craft filler in a cup. And I have labeled it for girls 5 to 9. And for this project, I'm just using these pretty Christmas cups that I've had on hand for quite a while. I'm going to be using these bags that measure 6 inches by 9 inches. I made some labels, and these labels are available on the website if you're interested, sweetteadaily.com. And the majority of this filler I bought on clearance. It was Easter clearance at Hobby Lobby. So this is a color your own tote. It says Happy Easter on there. Little chick and a bunny. But they were so cute. So I'll be getting that. And they will also be getting one of these bookmarks that you can color, that you can fold, and it fits right inside the cup very well, along with this little egg-shaped crayon that I also got at Hobby Lobby. I'm including a little bunny whistle, a cross necklace, a toothbrush, and one of these cute little caterpillars. These little fidget caterpillars. And there was one that I did not have enough of the bunny whistles, so she will be getting this light up whistle. The next filler is a Jesus Calms the Storm color wheel. I found this at Hobby Lobby on clearance, and I've already put it together, and I put a piece of tape right here over the brad so that it won't poke anyone. And I did that because these brads are very small, and I thought they might get lost. So that's why I went ahead and I already put it together. And I am including a bag of these markers. And I've had a bunch of these markers for a long time. I like to use things that I've had in my stash for a while for filler. And they have all the different colors in there. And they are dry erase markers, but they work just as well as regular markers for this project. And I am going to be using these cellophane bags to put them in, as you can see here. And the one thing about cellophane bags is that these are self-sealing, and a lot of times you will have this little piece of plastic right here that can be hard to get off your hands. So my hack for this, and I'll show you, this can be hard to see how it kind of clings. So my hack for this is to put a piece of tape either on the table I'm working on or on a tub, and I just attach it right there. So I don't know if anybody else has that problem with the self-sealing bags, but especially the little ones, they just cling and cling and cling to my hands, and I shake and shake and they don't come off. So anyway, that is my hack for that. This last filler pack is craft pencil packs, and this is what it'll look like when it's finished. And inside this craft pencil pack are these slap bracelets that I got on clearance from Hobby Lobby. And the pack came with a slap bracelet and also some little flower stickers. And then I added a little insect sticker as well. Here is a ladybug and a butterfly. And then inside of these packs, they will also be getting an eraser, pencil sharpener, 2 Ticonderoga pencils, and then a pencil that says Happy Birthday Jesus on it. And they will also be getting some paper. And to include the paper, what I do is I fold it in half. And then I fold it in half again. And that will fit very easily inside the back of this pencil pack. All right, I am going to go ahead and put all these packs together, and then I will be right back. Make sure when you are including filler that you put it in a box clearly marked filler. You can use these labels off of my website, sweetteadaily.com, or simply write on the box with a Sharpie and just write the word filler. As you can see, I have some extra space in this box, so I'm going to top it off with some little plushes that I had on hand. I got these on clearance after Easter as well, and they still have the tags attached. There is not a price on here, and I'm going to leave the tags on because sometimes kids that have never had anything new like to get something with the tag on it. So I'm going to go ahead and just top off the box with some of this plush. And I think we are all ready to go. Well, dear friends, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. May God bless you and your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.